Nestled within a bustling residential area of North Jakarta, the S+I House by DP+HS Architects stands as a testament to clever design within a compact footprint. Occupying a 440 SQM plot, this 600 SQM dwelling faced an immediate challenge, a significant building line along its west-facing main road. Recognizing that this would inevitably shrink the building's usable area, the architects devised an ingenious solution. They strategically placed the main entrance on the quieter south side, facing an alley. This allowed the west side, with its reduced building footprint, to transform into a dynamic, open space gathering area, a clever extension of the main living room, thoughtfully positioned to maintain a sense of privacy. Despite being home to a small family, the S+I House was designed with a keen awareness of its inhabitants' roots. Both husband and wife hail from large families. This crucial detail heavily influenced the home space program, necessitating a remarkably compact yet highly functional layout to accommodate frequent visits, quality time, and even overnight stays from extended family members. To meet this challenge, the architects conceived the compartment box concept. This involved segmenting the house into two distinct mass boxes, each given a bold and unique material treatment on its façade, creating a striking visual contrast that defines the building's exterior. These two mass boxes, initially conceived as a single form, were then strategically carved out to incorporate an open space on the third and fourth floors, culminating in a rooftop oasis. This intentional void serves a dual purpose. It softens the otherwise rigid lines of the boxes, introducing an element of fluidity, and it creates a multitude of potential openings, allowing the building to breathe and be flooded with natural light. A reflecting pool on the rooftop further contributes to the home's environmental comfort by helping to lower the internal temperature, a thoughtful detail in Jakarta's tropical climate. In line with the young owner's preferences and budget considerations, the S+I House boasts a modern architectural language characterized by a modular structure and refined detailing. A monochrome palette forms the building's foundation, with sharp black lines from door and window frames expertly defining each space. Pops of accent color are introduced through carefully selected loose furniture and decorations, adding personality without overwhelming the minimalist aesthetic. Consistency in material application extends throughout the interior, with exposed cement in the living room, painted brick in the study, and warm solid wood in common areas, creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Furthermore, the pre-existing large trees on the west side were meticulously preserved, providing ample shade for a sprawling garden designed as a large pool area with a deck, an idyllic gathering spot, and a seamless extension of the main living room. That's all for this tour of the S+I House. We hope you enjoyed seeing how DP+HS Architects brilliantly transformed the challenging plot into a spacious and adaptable home, perfect for both intimate family life and large gatherings. It's a fantastic example of how clever design can truly make a difference, even with tricky site limitations. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible architectural insights. We'll be bringing you even more inspiring homes and innovative designs in the future. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite feature of the S+I House was. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.